Welcome to Week 6, where we explore the RUKF framework: role, task, context, and format. This video explains how to organize your prompting choices so that your results are more relevant and easier to evaluate. Building on our work from Lesson 5, RUKF structures your prompting process. We use role for behavior, task for the action, context for information, and format for the structure. Remember, your purpose always comes first. You might wonder why we use the letter U for task. The abbreviation RUKF originates from Swedish, where U stands for uppgift, meaning task. This course uses the English terms while maintaining the original abbreviation. Your purpose is the foundation of every prompt. Whether you want to practice a skill or explore a topic, your role, task, context, and format choices must all work together to support that single objective. RUKF provides 4 essential questions to turn your purpose into a clear instruction. These categories are tools for thinking. Don't worry about perfect labeling. Prioritize clarity and coherence in your final prompt. When defining a role, choose the smallest, most useful persona to support your goal. Whether it is a coach, reader, or discussion partner, the role should guide the behavior and tone without taking over your own thinking. Crucially, assigning a professional role to an AI does not give it professional qualifications. Avoid creating unsafe trust. Always frame your request around limited behavior, rather than asking the AI to perform restricted professional duties. Not every prompt requires a role. If your task is straightforward, adding an unnecessary role might just lengthen your prompt without improving the output. Only use a role when specific behavior or tone truly matters. Your task must be an observable action. Avoid vague requests. Use clear verbs like explain, compare, or identify. If you have multiple steps, start with the first, review the output, and then proceed. Context is your opportunity to provide relevant background. By detailing your audience, current knowledge, or specific situation, you enable the AI to adjust the level and focus of its response to better meet your needs. While context is helpful, be mindful of privacy. Use data minimization techniques. Generalize details, use fictional examples, or provide ranges. Only include the information necessary for the AI to complete its specific task. The format element defines how the response is delivered. Choose a structure that supports your next action, such as a table for comparing ideas or a checklist for reviewing steps. Remember, structure doesn't guarantee factual accuracy. Watch for conflicting requirements in your format instructions. Asking for high detail in a very small word count can force the AI to make poor compromises. Always ensure your requirements are compatible and support your purpose. When you put it all together, RUKF creates one cohesive prompt. Combine your chosen role, task, context, and format into a natural-sounding instruction that guides the AI effectively while leaving the critical thinking to you. Before you test your final prompt, run through the RUKF checklist. Ensure your roles are safe, your tasks are observable, your context is minimized, and your format is clear. If everything supports the same purpose, you are ready. Once you have your response, perform an alignment check. Evaluate if the AI followed your requested behavior, task, context, and format. Crucially, look for unrequested assumptions. Remember, following your prompt does not guarantee that the content is factually correct. RUKF is a flexible tool for thinking, not a rigid formula. A simple task might just need a task and format, while complex situations require more context. You don't need to use labels in your final prompt. Just state your purpose, plan the elements, and combine them naturally.